Hey guys, today I want to share something really exciting, and that is a specific special project that I've been working on for quite a while, along with a development team. And this is specifically for UChat partners to provide an additional, basically, layer for their customers. And what this exactly does is providing a custom dashboard according towards the partner's own custom branding. I will show you an example in just a few moments where you can basically embed UChat and all the sub clients, sub accounts, and stuff like that directly onto the custom dashboard. It will also have a big advantage where clients are now just only accessing UChat by means of that special custom dashboard, right? And they will never have to leave it anymore. So they don't need to log in. That is all done automatically by means of SSO tokens and stuff like that. And UChat is being embedded directly inside. Besides UChat, it's just a starting point. If you have any other platforms that you use for your clients, you can also embed them directly inside of this single dashboard for them to use if you so wish. So how does it look like, right? Let's take a look. So here we have an example of a custom dashboard. You can see the different kinds of menus on the left hand side. Also, those can be adjusted, but it is just really beautiful if you take a look at it. So you will have a starting screen, basically a sort from get started section, right? Where you can add certain guidelines on how people can use the dashboard, create chatbots if you so wish to, um, and all that good stuff. Then under the automation section, you will have different kinds of templates basically, which can be installed on autopilot. And the best part is that a user does not have to have any knowledge about this. This is all done at the backend where you can just go inside, press a button, and from here, the client can just fill in the campaign information. As soon as they press save and then toggle this specific section on, then this will be activated through API calls. And it is just a really amazing way to provide a custom dashboard for your clients. Same goes with live chat. So live chat is basically embedded directly inside, right? So if we take a look, then you will see live chat being embedded. There's also no UChat menu that is completely hidden. So the only menu that the user has is basically the menu from the custom dashboard, which is fantastic because this way you can determine which sections of the chatbot a user can get access to. So even if the user has certain permissions, right, inside of UChat, inside of their workspace account, you can still basically limit the sections that they have access to, which is perfect, right? So this is live chat. Now, if you want then to connect channels, really easily to do. If we want to connect Facebook, it will basically pop open UChat workspace and then at the Facebook level. Same goes for Instagram, WhatsApp, right? And you can add more channels if you like to. Under the settings, you can add teammates. You can add or reset your password, manage your plans and billing. And the great part of plans and billing is as well, you can manage it from this custom dashboard. So meaning you don't have to subscribe your basically your sub accounts to specific UChat pricing plans, right? You can submit your own pricing plans here. You can create them. You can connect them towards Stripe or your other payment providers. The development team can help you with that. And then basically everything that you want, that you need being paid inside of UChat, you can do so from your own partner credits. So this means that you can set up your own custom plans much easier. Under the advanced tab, we also added some additional sections like flows. So if you want certain clients to build their own flows, that is also possible. So as you can see here, same goes for automations, contents, and tools. It basically pops up open the specific section inside of UChat for you to manage it, right? So you can go towards error logs, testers, and stuff like that. So this is just a really quick overview of what is possible with this custom dashboard for UChat partners. Again, you can customize it towards your own branding, your own colors, and just have UChat totally embedded inside of this custom dashboard. So if you are interested, just send me a PM and we can take a look at what kind of customization you would like to and what the additional quote would be. But you can also take the custom dashboard as is and just let the developer team fill in your partner details, right? Just as easy. So for now, I want to wish you a really great weekend. A lot more to show. We are currently also working on a live chat wrapper, which means that you can have your own UI on the live chat wrapper. We're still working on the functionality and stuff like that, but I think that this custom dashboard goes a whole lot further and gives you a much more flexible solution as to what your clients can access. So for now, have a great weekend, take care, and talk soon.